That's a good leader already. Look at this white eagle.
Dude, we got a big wedge.
I know.
Hey, you want me to turn the car around? Just
Nope.
in case? Oh my god. Look at this thing.
I want to get closer.
Let's just let it come to us. We've got perfect video,
I
man.
get impatient. We may have another one formed right there, guys. We may have 2 tornadoes in a minute.
Oh god, I hope nobody's in front of this thing. Where's Beatrice at?
Beatrice is that way. Beatrice is alright. Look, oh my god, we're gonna have 2 tornadoes!
I don't want to zoom out though, because we've got this monster on the ground.
We're gonna have 2 at the same time! We're having an occluding meso, and oh my god! I haven't seen this before.
Hey,